led by Juman Riang. Followed by Montfort Girls, led by Asikta Deborma, Montfort Girls. Followed by Montfort Boys. Followed by Khumpui Academy Girls, led by Ankita Deborma. Khumpui Academy Girls. Next, followed by Khumpui Boys. David Deborma, Khumpui Boys. Sasa Academy, Evie Deborma. Sasa Academy Girls, led by Evie Deborma. Deborma leading the team. Followed by, led by Tuisa Deborma, EMRS Girls. EMRS Boys, led by Kokthai Tripura. Kokthai Tripura leading the EMRS Boys. Bong ni bagai sokat tongo, kaham khai piti peret khai thangnai rong ni bagai sokat rejangnai bongno nai chomnai tongo chini bisingo je kaham kuk borongno sokat. Tabok, sorry bangka, we can take our seat. Tabok sing naimanai hukumu, followed by cultural program. Kuila hotongo sini folk music college bro opening song bakriba desa mong bisintai o pandano cengire nai. Abo no kom thengna ni bagai yang sini bukuk bina Deborma.